it's Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Summers में my go-to outfit are some really cute and comfortable kurti sets and I have found some really good ones on Amazon जो मैं आज try करने वाली हूँ और आप लोगों को भी दिखाने वाली हूँ. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I picked up are these white palazzo pants from Max and it looks something like this. It's literally white plain palazzo pant but iske niche you will see it has a nice chicken curry work going on. I don't know if the camera is able to pick up but it definitely does have some nice chicken curry work going on over here. Material iska hai polyester blend but it's very comfortable and soft on my body. It does not feel itchy or anything. It's very nice and comfortable, so that is like a plus. Size wise I have picked it up in size large and it fits me perfectly and यहाँ पर भी इसका elastic waist है तो एक दो साइज ऊपर नीचे चल जाएगा आप लोगों को. And it also has this nada over here. It does not have any pockets. That's like a bummer. I wish it had pockets. तो ये एकदम perfect हो जाता pant. But yeah, other than that also it's a really good pant. Very soft and comfortable on my body. Kapda wise I definitely do feel it's a little see-through. But it's doable. इतना भी ज़्यादा सी थ्रू नहीं है. एंड आई नो बहुत लोगों के पास कुर्तीज़ होते हैं जो सेट में नहीं आता. सो इट्स जस्ट अ कुर्ती टॉप जिसके नीचे यू कैन ऑब्वियसली वेयर जीन्स. बट आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव वन ऑप्शन इफ आई जस्ट वॉन्ट अ नाइस ट्रेडिशनल गो टू आउटफिट. मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे कुर्ती टॉप्स हैं जिसपे चिकन करी वर्क है एंड all colored options will go with this white option. Even the black chicken curry kurti will look really pretty with this because उसपे भी white contrast stitching work होता है. Majority of the chicken curry or any top does have a little bit of white element, so having a plain simple white palazzo like this is always beneficial and a must have in anybody's wardrobe. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this one, definitely do. Especially इसका price point भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. I'd highly recommend getting this one if you're interested. It's really good. Next, let's talk about the one that I'm wearing right now. This is definitely one of the favorite kurti that I've picked up in today's haul. This is definitely like a short kurti top. I am obsessed with its color. इतना प्यारा पेस्टल पिंक कलर है. अगर इस पे प्रिंट भी आप देखोगे जो भी फ्लोरल डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दैट वाटर कलर पिंक. इट्स वेरी फेडेड, इट्स वेरी समर लाइक एंड इट्स वेरी मी. आई एम obsessed with the print on this. It's very beautiful and it's extremely soft. ये cotton material है and it literally is so lightweight and it's so soft and comfortable on my body. It literally feels I'm not wearing anything. It's so soft and comfortable on my body. And इस पे आप clearly देख सकते हो, इस पे chicken curry work हो रखा है. This is from this brand called Ada by the way और इसका मैंने पहले भी काफ़ी सारे कुर्ती टॉप्स लिए हैं and I still wear them to this day and it's very soft and comfortable. So I am very happy with this kurti top as well. And इस पे जो भी चिकन कारी वर्क हो रखा है बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है, स्पेशली नियर द नेक वर्क. एंड it definitely has small floral detailing all over the kurti. This is how the hand looks like. It has like the 3/4 sleeve and यहाँ पर भी chicken curry work हो रखा है at the edges. नीचे भी kurti top के there is like a patta going on and yeah, this is how the top looks like. Overall love it. It's like the perfect summer kurti top for me and I feel like this is something that you can wear with multiple loose wide leg pants that will give you like that cool girl aesthetic Indo-Western look. But if you want to wear it in a nice authentic way, then obviously you can pair it up with the white pant that I got. I think that will also look really cute. So yeah, I'm very excited about this top. I'm definitely going to keep it. Of course, I'll give it a 10 out of 10 if you're interested. And yeah, next I picked up another kurti set. Now this is a proper kurti set. It has kurta, pant, odni, everything in it. And this is from this brand called Indo Era. The kurti looks something like this. I love this Indo print. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारा लगता है and it gives a very cool aesthetic, especially if you pair it with some oxidized jewelry. I love them. Love the print, love the color. It's a rust orange color. I feel like जो photo दिखाया है Amazon पे, it had a little bit more of a reddish, a little bit more dark color than in person. In person it definitely feels a little bit lighter. I know camera पे dark ही लग रहा है, but in person थोड़ा light लग रहा है. I really like the neckline. मेरे पास mostly U वाले ज़्यादा हैं. This has a nice V neckline and it almost is like a A-line straight kurti. It definitely does have a 3/4 sleeve along with it and it's like a plain soft comfortable kurti. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, it's just the print all over and this is how the neckline looks like. It's very soft and comfortable. The whole set is cotton which is perfect for the summer season. Very soft, comfortable on my body. And इसके साथ जो पैंट दिया हुआ है, it's a nice contrast indigo blue color and this is how it looks like. Very soft, comfortable. It does not have pocket and this is how the waist looks like. It definitely does have like a cinching thing in the back. And आगे से कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है. No pockets. Very comfortable. It definitely is a little bit see-through but it's a set so it doesn't matter. Very soft, comfortable and this is how the odhni looks like. I love the color. Again, the whole color theory is complementing each other really well and इसका जो इस पे जो पूरा elephant prints दिया हुआ है all over the odhni, like so freaking cute. This is definitely like a showstopper and all together all three of the elements go together really well. Again, for the price point it's a best deal I feel like and it's so soft and comfortable. If you really like the print on this, go for it. I really like it. I would give it a 9 on 10. Next, I picked up a chicken curry kurti from this brand called House of Chicken Curry. इनके काफ़ी ज़्यादा एडवर्टाइजमेंट रील आते थे मुझे and I really wanted to try them out because they are like premium priced and they're supposed to be malmal. Now this kurti that I have picked up is the material is supposed to be malmal but it feels very similar to cotton. मेरे पास सूता की साड़ी है that is supposed to be like a malmal कपड़ा and उसमें मुझे डिफरेंस समझता है. वो बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है, लाइक कॉटन से भी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है वो मलमल का कपड़ा. बट दिस फील्स कॉटन. आई डोंट फील लाइक ये मलमल है बट दे हैव सेड दैट दिस इज मलमल का कपड़ा. सो आई हैव पिक्ड इट अप इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल पर्पल कलर मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया. नाउ दिस इज सपोज टू बी लाइक अ पर्पल फ्लोरल कपड़ा. आप देख सकते हो उस पर काफ़ी प्यारा फ्लोरल प्रिंट दिया हुआ है. दिस इज नॉट वर्क ऑब्वियसली, दिस इज लाइक अ प्रिंटेड कपड़ा मलमल का एंड उसके ऊपर चिकनकारी का वर्क हो रखा है. Something like this. The chikankari work is also a little bit on the sleeve. It has 3/4 sleeve by the way. It's very soft and comfortable on my body and I have picked it up in size medium. Now this is size medium and I feel like it definitely looks a little oversized on me, but if you like that look of it being like an oversized chikankari kurti, that is also a look and a lot of people rock it that way, then you can stick to the size that usually you go for in kurtis. For me that is medium and I feel like this feels a little oversized for that. Now if you want like a well fitted kurti then I would say go for a size small in this brand. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it in medium size only and yeah, this is how the sleeve looks like. Overall it's a plain printed chikankari kurti. Bottom of it also has a little bit of chikankari work going on. It's very soft, very comfortable. As I mentioned earlier, this is supposed to be a malmal kapda but it feels cotton. There's not a big difference between malmal and cotton I felt. So yeah, I would give it a 8 on 10 especially because of the price. I feel like price मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा expensive लगा for a chikankari kurti. Ada is also a brand that like gives you a nice authentic chikankari kurti और उनके मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा कपड़े ट्राई किए हैं and the price point is kind of similar but other one is a little bit cheaper and the kapda is really good as well. I don't know if you guys can see but मुझे ये थोड़ा dull लग रहा है purple color. I wish it would have been a little bit more brighter and it feels like ये धोके दिया हुआ कपड़ा, you know, after you use it multiple times it starts looking a little dull. इन पर्सन ये थोड़ा वैसा लग रहा है, बट आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना कीप इट. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. Next, I picked up an Anarkali set. This is the last set I have in today's haul. And इसमें भी कुर्ता है, पैंट है, ओढ़नी है. It's like a proper set. And Anarkali kurtis मेरे पास काफ़ी कम है. I usually prefer the 3/4 sleeve A-line kurtis on me. And this is from this brand called Indo Era. और उसका कुर्ती जो अनारकली टॉप है, it looks something like this. This is a sleeveless top. And it has this beautiful floral work going all around. It's again purple in color, but इसका मटेरियल मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीप लग रहा है. It's very see-through. I don't know why they've done it, but it's very see-through. I don't know if you guys can see, but in person I can tell it's a very patla kapda. The whole set is pure cotton material. There is no अस्तर or anything. So और इसका स्टिचिंग एंड फिटिंग भी मुझे थोड़ा इल फिट लगा. इसका जो दिस एरिया, इट इज़ वेरी लूज ऑन मी. आई हैव पिक्ड इट अप इन द साइज मीडियम, बट इट्स नॉट फिटिंग मी वेल. This the top part is very loose and it's like flapping out on all sides. I am not happy with the way it fits on me, and I love the ghera. That looks really pretty, and overall it's nice, but the fitting is not nice. इस पे plain purple color का पैंट दिया हुआ है. It's just a straight pant, nothing fancy, very soft, comfortable. It has one pocket. And this is how the pant looks like. It is complemented with this ओढ़नी. I think ओढ़नी पे भी very similar kind of work हो रखा है. And yeah, this is how the ओढ़नी looks like. Overall, I am like so about it. I don't feel it's like extremely pretty and premium. The fitting is ill, so I would just say skip it. You don't have to get it. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं. आई हैव ऑल्सो पुट माई स्टोर फ्रंट लिंक, जहाँ पर आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.